Hi, I'm with Largo Home Buyers. Need to sell your house in Largo fast? Maybe you're facing foreclosure, owe property taxes, need to relocate, inherited a property you don't want, or your house needs too many repairs? Whatever your reason, there's absolutely no judgment here. Largo Home Buyers pays cash for houses in Largo in any condition. No repairs needed, no cleaning required, no fees, no stress. And here's the best part. We can close in as fast as 7 days. Or, if you need more time, no problem. We work on your timeline. Selling your house to us is a very simple and straightforward process. Here's how it works. 1. Give us a call or visit our website. 2. We'll make you a fair, no-obligation cash offer. 3. Choose your closing date and get your cash. We're not some big corporation. We're local Largo residents who understand this community and genuinely care about our neighbors. Ready to move forward? Call us right now at 727-500-1042. That's 727-500-1042. Or visit largohomebuyers.com. Largo Home Buyers, your local friendly cash home buyer. Let's find your solution together.